Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Macchiato beige, magma gray MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Brushed illuminated run boards. Trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power lift gate. Set all season regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Natural gray and brown walnut trim. Heated seats. Memory seats. Ambient lighting. Illuminated door sill. Heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A 12.3-inch instrument cluster and media display, which is now touchscreen. We've got navigation, rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes is our MBUX, which is Mercedes-Benz user experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes.
How can I help you?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, cup holders, touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our different cameras for parking, navigation button, radio, telephone. This GLE 350 has 26,919 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.